Students, today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 3, class 6, using Windows, page number 27. But before that, we will recall what we have learned in chapter number 2. We have learned what is an operating system. It is an interface between user and computer. Booting, steps of booting. Booting is a process that starts the operating system when the computer is turned on. Functions of an operating system. What basic function does an operating system perform? Then we have learned types of operating system. There are two types of operating system: single user operating system, multi-user operating system. Next is operating system interface. There are two types of interface: command or character user interface. Second one is graphical user interface. Last, we have learned importance of shutdown. Why it is important to properly shut down your computer? Because it will help you to save your files and it will help you so that no files will be damaged. Chapter number 3, Snap Recap. Windows is an operating system that makes your computer run. Windows is a series of operating systems developed by Microsoft. Each version of Windows indicates a graphical user interface with a desktop that allow user to view files and folders in Windows. Desktop background is the list of design used for decorating the desktop. When you open your computer, the first thing that you see is your desktop. And on desktop you see different icons, small icons. Screensaver display the moving images that start automatically when the computer is idle for a specific amount of time. For the protection of your computer, we use screensaver. Windows come with a number of standard applications referred to as accessories. In Windows, when you open your computer, you use different applications. For example, Paint, Calculator, and so on. In this chapter, we will learn advantages of using Windows operating system. What are the different advantages of using Windows? As compared to character user interface, Windows is a user-friendly interface. Searching for files and folders. How you can search your file or any folder. Then using run option. Why we use run option? On screen keyboard. Suppose you don't have a keyboard attached to your computer, then how you can use on screen keyboard, visual keyboard. Then control panel. In control panel we have different options: display, mouse, regional settings, and so on. How display will show you how your computer will look when you open your computer. Mouse help you to click on anything. Regional setting will help you to display. Page number 27, Introduction. An operating system acts as an intermediate between the user and the machine software machine. It provides a software platform on which the application program run. All the application programs that we use, for example, MS Office, Paint, Tux Paint, all these applications are run on Windows. So, the choice of an operating system would be determined on the basis of an application required for your system. It depends on you what type of Windows or operating system you want to use. MS Windows is becoming very popular these days, and you shall find out the reason for that below. So we will see what are the advantages of using Windows as an operating system. So it's up to you what type of Windows you use. Some use Windows 10, Windows 2007 or new version of Windows. Windows is an operating system which support the graphical user interface environment. What is graphical user interface? In graphical user interface, you have graphical environment. You just have to click on the graphics. All commands can be executed easily and effectively at a click of the mouse. As you all know that in character user interface or command line interface, you have to write down character by character or you have to give command to perform any instruction. But in Windows operating system, you just have to click with the help of mouse to execute any instruction. Some of the advantages of Windows as an operating system are listed here. Now we will see what are the different advantages of using Windows as an operating system. First one is graphical user interface. It is also known as GUI, graphical user interface. It offers graphical icons and visual indicators based interface as compared to text based interface. It offers graphical icons means that you can see that icons, small icons are displayed on the monitor, and it is very easy for you to just click with the help of mouse to open any application. Second is easy to use and learn. Working with Windows is easy as it just requires a few mouse clicks to do the work. As you all know that with the help of mouse you can use it to perform your tasks, whereas in character user interface you have to write command. Third one is multitasking. In Windows, you can work on multiple programs at the same time. Programs open in the form of window which can easily be controlled with the help of Alt plus Tab key. For example, you can create documents as well as listen to music on a computer at the same time. Multitasking Windows provide you a platform or environment where you can do two works at a time or more than two works. So it's a multitasking environment. You can do paint as well as you can listen to music at the same time. And you can control your operations with the help of Alt plus Tab key. Page number 28, figure 3.1. Multiple programs open at the same time. Students, you can see in this picture that they have opened Microsoft Word, Paint at the same time. So Windows provide you a facility of multitasking. So what are the three advantages? First one is graphical user interface. Second one is easy to use and learn. Third one is multitasking. These are the basic advantages of using Windows as an operating system. Windows packages come with several useful applications that are specially built to take full advantages of Windows. Windows contain number of utilities to set up, adjust and operate Windows and Windows application. So it is very easy for the user to use.